Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to trade 212 Forex buy and sell. First, go to your browser and search Trading 212. Open Trading 212, probably shown on the top. Now click Open Account in the top right corner of the website. Select Country of Residence from the list and click Next. Then, choose an account from the given options. Find Forex and click on it. Next, click OK to enter the login details. Enter your email and password and agree to the privacy policy. Click Create Account and it will ask you to allow notifications. If you allow it, then it will notify you about the transactions and events. Otherwise, click Not Now and start trading. On the left of the website, you will see your watch list. To buy Forex, click Buy on the right side. Next, it will send a verification email. Open the email and just tap Verify. After that, you will be directed again to the Trading 212. Your email will be verified and click on Done. Again, click Buy on the top right side and select Set up your account. Select Nationality, go to Next, and then enter your details. It includes your name, phone number, and date of birth. If you want to sell, click Sell and set up your profile first. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.